Do you see this orange resistance line on NQ that keeps getting supported? These levels make some of my best trade setups. I call it the higher time frame fade value area extreme. And in the next 60 seconds, I'm going to show you how to find them and, more importantly, how to trade them. These are the same setups that have allowed me to become a full-time day trader. So let's take a look. So those levels are low volume nodes, or LVNs, but I find them on a composite profile. What does that mean? Well, this is a 30-minute chart on NQ. And then I use the fixed range volume profile tool on TradingView to draw myself a fixed range profile. These super powerful levels come from the low volume areas on the profile over many sessions. So we'll build one right here, and you can see how this became significant reversal areas for NQ over the last few days. And then once we broke above it, it even became support. Low volume nodes tend to be rejection areas. So in the VWAP Wave System, we have the fade value area extreme setup. This is where we tend to find rejection at the edges of value. And value by the profile is defined by high volume areas. This would be considered fair value, and this is where we tend to rotate. So when we get to the edge of value, this is where we can find the most significant reversals in price. These are some of our best fade areas. And a balanced market essentially tells you where the auction is going to react. So if you want the full rules and a full video breakdown of the fade value area extreme setup, as well as how to draw out these composite levels both on a macro scale and intraday, just put the word profile in the comments below. I'm going to give you a link to download my core setup guide and an invite to our free community. That's where you're going to find all the information to dive deeper into the system. And we look forward to seeing you in the group.